Guys, it's me again, and I just wanted to show you what I am having for dinner. I found these. They look like collard greens. They may not be, they might be, I don't know. I had some a day or so ago, and they were a little bit bitter, so I feel like there's some kind of bitter greens. Now my mom is really like into health food stuff, and so she tells me that if I eat bitter things, it's really good for the body. But you know, we'll see about that. But I'm going to show you my greens. Tumeric really tastes good in green vegetables. I found some really nice peppers, so I put it in there, and I'm going to show you my haul on my dinner. Okay, so now that you have seen my greens, I will show you the rest of my meal when everything is complete. I'm gonna try it. It's good.